Did you know that nearly 70% of people report feeling stressed during the holiday season? But with a few simple changes, you can be part of the 30% who enjoy a more relaxed and joyful time. The holiday season is supposed to be a time of joy, love, and celebration. But for many of us, it can feel like a never-ending to-do list, a constant pressure to buy gifts, host parties, and cook elaborate meals. It's no wonder we end up feeling stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. The truth is, holiday stress can come from many different sources, from family dynamics to financial pressures, and even social expectations. But the good news is that there are many simple tips that can help you manage and reduce that stress. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. So if you're tired of feeling like the holiday season is getting the best of you, and you want to find a way to truly enjoy this special time of year, then keep watching, because we're about to dive into some super practical tips that will help you do just that. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your holiday stress and start enjoying the season like you deserve to. So, let's get started. One of the biggest contributors to holiday stress is simply trying to do too much. We put so much pressure on ourselves to create the perfect holiday, and that can lead to burnout fast. So, the first tip we're going to cover is the importance of setting realistic expectations for the holidays. Setting realistic expectations is all about being honest with yourself about what you can and can't do. It means recognizing that you can't do it all, and that's okay. It's about letting go of the need for perfection and embracing the imperfections of the season. When you set realistic expectations, you take the pressure off yourself, and you start to enjoy the holidays again. You start to focus on what really matters, like spending time with loved ones and making memories that will last a lifetime. One of the biggest areas where we set unrealistic expectations is with our social calendars. We feel like we need to attend every party, every gathering, and every event. But the truth is, you don't have to. It's okay to say no to things that don't align with your priorities or that just plain don't feel fun to you. Saying no can be liberating. It can help you avoid feelings of overwhelm and resentment. When you set realistic expectations, you also start to prioritize what's truly important to you. You focus on the things that bring you joy, and you let go of the rest. This can be incredibly freeing, and it can help you approach the holiday season with a sense of excitement and anticipation, rather than dread and anxiety. Another major source of holiday stress is financial pressure. We feel like we need to buy gifts for everyone on our list, host elaborate parties, and cook expensive meals. But the truth is, you don't have to break the bank to have a wonderful holiday season. The key is to create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget for your holiday spending can be incredibly empowering. It helps you focus on what's truly important to you, and it helps you avoid feelings of financial stress and anxiety. When you know exactly how much you have to spend, you can make intentional decisions about where your money goes, and you can avoid overspending. One of the biggest mistakes we make when it comes to holiday spending is not accounting for all the small things. We budget for the big-ticket items, like the gifts and travel, but we forget about the little things, like decorations, wrapping paper, and holiday treats. These little things can add up fast, and they can blow our budgets if we're not careful. The key to sticking to your budget is to be intentional and consistent. Set a budget and track your spending so you know exactly where your money is going. Make a list and prioritize your spending so you're focusing on the things that matter most to you. And remember, it's okay to say no to things that don't fit within your budget. Planning ahead is another key aspect of managing holiday stress. When you plan ahead, you can avoid last-minute scrambles, and you can stay organized and focused. You can create a timeline for your shopping, your cooking, and your other holiday tasks, and you can break them down into manageable chunks. Planning ahead can also help you avoid feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. When you know exactly what needs to be done and when, you can take a deep breath and relax. You can focus on enjoying the season, rather than stressing about all the things that still need to be done. One of the biggest benefits of planning ahead is that it gives you time to focus on the things that truly matter to you. You can prioritize your spending, your time, and your energy, and you can make intentional decisions about how you want to spend your holiday season. You can focus on the things that bring you joy, and you can let go of the rest. Taking care of yourself during the holiday season is also crucial. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of the season and forget to prioritize our own well-being. But the truth is, taking care of yourself is essential to managing holiday stress. When you prioritize self-care, you're better equipped to handle the stresses of the season. You're more resilient, more patient, and more focused. You're able to tackle tasks with ease, and you're able to enjoy the season to the fullest. One of the simplest ways to prioritize self-care during the holiday season is to make time for the things that bring you joy. Take a walk, read a book, or practice a hobby. Do things that make you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. And remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Mindfulness is another key aspect of managing holiday stress. When you're mindful, you're able to stay present in the moment, and you're able to avoid getting caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. You're able to focus on the present, and you're able to enjoy the season to the fullest. One of the simplest ways to practice mindfulness during the holiday season is to try meditation or deep breathing exercises. These simple techniques can help you calm your mind and focus on the present moment. They can help you stay grounded and centered, even in the midst of chaos. Another way to practice mindfulness is to focus on your senses. Take time to enjoy the sights, sounds, and the smell of the season. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of a decorated tree or the taste of a delicious holiday cookie. When you focus on your senses, you're able to stay present, and you're able to enjoy the season to the fullest. Social support is also crucial when it comes to managing holiday stress. When you have a strong support system, you're able to lean on others when you need them, and you're able to share the burden of the season. One of the simplest ways to cultivate social support during the holiday season is to connect with friends and family. Reach out to loved ones and make time for them. Whether it's a phone call, a video chat, or an in-person visit, make time for the people who matter most to you. Another way to cultivate social support is to get involved in your community. Volunteer at a local soup kitchen or participate in a toy drive. When you give back to others, you're able to feel more connected and more grateful for the blessings in your life. Finding joy in the little things is also essential to managing holiday stress. When you focus on the things that bring you joy, you're able to shift your attention away from stress and anxiety and towards the things that truly matter to you. One of the simplest ways to find joy in the little things is to engage in activities that bring you happiness. Watch your favorite holiday movie, bake some cookies, or go for a winter walk. Do things that make you feel happy and fulfilled. Another way to find joy in the little things is to practice gratitude. Take time to reflect on the things you're thankful for and write them down in a gratitude journal. When you focus on the positive, you're able to shift your attention away from stress and anxiety and towards the things that truly matter to you. In summary, managing holiday stress is all about setting realistic expectations, creating a budget, planning ahead, prioritizing self-care, practicing mindfulness, cultivating social support, and finding joy in the little things. By implementing these simple tips, you can take control of your holiday stress and start enjoying the season like you deserve to. Remember, the holiday season is supposed to be a time of joy, love, and celebration. It's okay to take a step back and prioritize your well-being. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy the season to the fullest and create memories that will last a lifetime. So, what are some of your favorite tips for beating holiday stress? Leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out another one of our videos for more helpful advice. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!